To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Tangem wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Tangem wallet. If not, create them and complete the necessary verification processes. Start by opening your Crypto.com app and navigating to the Accounts section. Here you will see a list of your available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on it. In the cryptocurrency details page, click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where you need to enter the address of your Tangem wallet. To find your Tangem wallet address, open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the Receive section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and you will see the wallet address. Copy this address and go back to your Crypto.com app. Paste the address in the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees before confirming the transaction. Once you have entered all the details, review them carefully and confirm the transaction. The transfer may take some time to process, depending on the blockchain network. You can track the status of your transaction in the Transaction History section of your Crypto.com app. To verify the transfer in your Tangem wallet, navigate to the Accounts section and check your balance. The transferred cryptocurrency should appear in your wallet once the transaction is confirmed. Remember to always double-check the recipient address and the amount you are transferring to avoid any mistakes. It is also important to keep your wallet and account information secure to prevent any unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Tangem wallet. Always prioritize security and be patient during the transfer process.